Today's showcase is the pair of Porsche 911 from Spark model, who are the winners at the 2018 Le Mans 24 Hours Marathon. I got this pair because of their traditional Le Mans livery of the 70s and 80s. Let's start with the number 91 Porsche 911 in iconic blue and white finish with the Rothman sponsors color of that era. You can see it's housed in a standard case and sleeve similar to Tarmac and Hino 64. Below are the information of the casting and also the hologram sticker of the Le Mans. And now let's get the casting out from the case. The 911 sits nicely on the base with all the product description and the driver information. Wow, I really like how the car is secured. It's more economical, and I think this method is very innovative. You just need to rotate the device and the car is released, and that's awesome. First impression, the number 91 Porsche 911 is pretty light. I can't say the quality is super high-end, given that it retails at the price of 1,500 yen in Japan. Without question, the wheel set rolls very well. It's a pretty cool casting for this price category. Really love all the painted details and also the plastic insert headlights. I think it's awesome for this price category. The livery are very sharp and clear, and I really like the concept of having this historical livery on the casting. The iconic blue, red and gold stripes really reminds me of the Rothman's tobacco back in those days. Next is my favorite, the number 92 Porsche 911 in the pink pig livery. This is also the winner car in the 2018 Le Mans race. It's housed in a similar sleeve. You can see the 24 Hours Le Mans logo and the Spark model mascot. I really like this historical pink pig livery from the 70s. The concept is great. The pink body color with section of the car labeled in Bucho Styles card is also a very iconic car. I really like this casting a lot. I think it's very iconic with the famous historical livery, and it's awesome. I'm very glad to add this Porsche 911 into my very first Spark collection. Don't forget to like the video and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.